Hi friends, welcome to Code World YouTube channel. My name is Basha. In the previous video we discussed about string slicing and I have given an assignment. Now in this video I will discuss the answer and about Python IDE. Okay, the assignment is to check the word given is palindrome or not, right? We are going to answer this in this video by using string slicing and if else. I already discussed the topic string slicing and if else in the previous videos. If you don't watch that videos, the links of that videos are in description. Please watch that videos. I'm opening my text editor. I'm taking a variable word. Okay. Good. I'm taking input from the user and the word. Okay. Okay. I want to define palindrome. Palindrome is a word, number, phrase or other sequence of characters which reads same backward as forward, right? To check the given word is palindrome or not, the only condition is the word must should be same as forward as and backward, right? So if I reverse this word, the reversed word has same as the word. So I want to reverse this word. So to reverse, I'm in string slicing. String slicing. We already discussed how to reverse the word in string slicing, right? Okay. Reverse the word, and I'm going to store the result in a variable. Okay. Word. I'm storing the result in this variable word, reverse word. Okay. Now I'm checking the condition by using if else. The condition is the reversed word and the word have to be same. Then the word is palindrome. Else it's not palindrome, right? So by using if else, if word is equal to reverse word, then it is palindrome, right? So I'm going to print. I'm going to print it as a palindrome. Right? If not, it is not palindrome. Not palindrome, right? That's simple. Our program is over. Now I'm going to save this. Now I will execute this in my CMD. Okay. See, I'm already in my directory. So I'm going to type my program name. Program1.py. It's asking for a word, so I will enter the word madam. So it's showing the palindrome, right? If we not enter any palindrome word like hello, it shows it's not a palindrome, right? Again, I will check in a word like wow, it's a palindrome, right? I want to discuss one more topic here, friends. I'm using Sublime text for running my code, but if you don't have any text editor, it's okay. Python by default provide IDE. I will show you now. In search, type IDE. On installing Python, by default Python provide this. See here we can do simple math like this, and it's just 64 and 5 plus 6 into 11, 2 minus 1 into 1, like this. If you want to write multiple lines of code, take file and new file. Here we can write multiple lines of codes. Let me show that. Right, print code world. Right, to run this, here there is one option, right? Click on that, one module, click on this. Otherwise you can click directly on F5 on keyboard. Okay, we have to save this. So I'm going to save this on my desktop Python folder tutorials as program2.py, right? See the output code word, right? Let me show another example. I have done the palindrome example, right? So I'm going to open that file in here. Okay, open. So my palindrome code is in program 1, so I'm going to open that. See, this is my palindrome code. Okay, to run this, simple click on F5 directly, or click on the one option there. Click on F5. It's asking enter a word. I'm going to enter the word level. See, it's showing it is a palindrome. Okay. We use text editor because of their features like autocomplete, syntax editing, and some more features. There are many text editors like Sublime, Visual Studio Code, Atom, and IDEs like Python, Anaconda, and many more. If you want to use them, the links are in description below. Please check it out. That's it for this video, friends. See you in next video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Comment your opinion on this video in the comment section below. For more videos, please subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit the bell icon to get notifications. Thank you. Thank you for watching.